just a quick video to launch my tribute build to Jeff for Jeff's Model Garage. Jeff is I'm relatively new to the community, but must say that Jeff goes above and beyond. Most recently, I was in the mid 80 subscribers, and Jeff, I had commented on one of Jeff's videos. He commented back that he didn't think he had ever mentioned my channel, and he did, and I jumped from mid 80s to I think it was 109 when I saw it this morning. So Jeff, thank you very much, and thanks for everything you're doing for the community. My build for Jeff will be this 67 Camaro Z28. It's going to be box stock and a showroom car. It's actually going to be part of a longer-term project of a 2017 Camaro. So I have the 50-year 67 and 2017. Both will be built box stock with factory colors. I just ordered the, I think it's called Butternut Yellow, was one of the original colors that the car came in 67, and I've ordered that. So that will be the finish on it. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to have a little slideshow, an update of my my Volkswagen Beetle build. Here is the 67, still all sealed in the bags, and I will get going on this relatively quickly, and this will be started while I'm finishing up the VW. Of course, I have probably 6 other builds going simultaneously. I'm the sort of builder that it's whatever the spirit moves. If I'm into a dirt track stock car that day, then that's the one I work on. And but I do want to get this one done for Jeff, so I will publish update videos along the way, and look forward to completing it. And once again, Jeff, thank you so much for everything you're doing for the build community. This is Dave at Styrene Replicas. Take care.